today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make beef kofte in curry sauce. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on about 800 grams of beef mince. Now if you don't want to use beef mince, you can actually do this just with lamb mince as well. Or you can actually do chicken mince if you like, so that's up to you. So the first thing we're going to do is get one brown onion. So I'm just using a small size one here. And we're going to grate this straight in. Next we'll add in 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, a quarter teaspoon of ground cloves, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and finally about 2 crushed garlic cloves. We're just going to mix this all together and get that all well combined. So guys, I'm heavily seasoning this mince because what it will do is actually help with our actual curry sauce as well. But that already smells amazing. Alright guys, so we're just going to cover this with some cling wrap now, place it into the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours just to let all those flavours develop. You can leave this overnight if you like for better results. Alright guys, so what we're going to do next is shape these into our kofte. So basically I've got a bowl of warm water here. What we're going to do is wet our fingers and grab about a quarter handful of our mixture and just roll it into a meatball. Just like that. Now you can make these any size you like. Obviously the cooking time will differ then. Okay, and there we have it. So in my case I've done them just a little bit bigger so they look nicer. But as I said, you can make them small, you can make them big. That's completely up to you. So let's move on to our stove. Alright guys, so just into a large pan on a medium to high heat, we'll add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Once our oil's nice and hot, we'll start to add in our kofte. Okay, and all we want to do is brown these on all sides. Alright guys, so that's looking pretty good. So browned all over. So at this stage I'm going to top this up with 2 cups of beef stock. And we're going to add in half a teaspoon of ground turmeric. And 1 tablespoon of mild curry powder. And I'm also going to add in about 3 to 4 bay leaves. So if you're using larger ones, use 3. I'm just using medium size, so 4. And we just want to mix that all around. Alright guys, so once you get a boil going, we'll turn the heat to low to medium, put a lid on, and we just want to simmer this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm just at the 15-minute mark now, and you can see our kofte is nice and cooked, and our sauce is thickened up nicely too. So we'll go ahead and turn the heat off, and just give them a bit of a roll in the sauce, just make sure all sides are nice and coated. And let's serve. Alright, so in my case I'm just going to serve this up with some pilaf rice here on the side. You don't have to do that, they are perfect on their own as well. So that's completely up to you. And we'll finish this off with some of our curry sauce. And just look at that. Okay guys, so that's a very simple take on beef kofte with a simple curry sauce. Now there's so many different variations you can do on this. As I mentioned, you can change the beef for lamb, you can do it with chicken, you can do it with turkey if you like. You can also just combine a bit of everything, so you can do half beef, half lamb, or chicken and turkey, whatever you like. You be the chef. So let me know in the comments what you want to do, and let me know who you'll be making this dish for. So guys, as always, please like, share and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And you can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. Now let's give this a try. Yep, it's pretty good. Give it a try guys. I'll see you all next time.